Hello kids, today in Kids Room Toys we got the Shopkins A Piece of Cake book. Come read with us. Jessicake was at the Cupcake Queen Café trying a new recipe, but something was missing. She tasted the batter. Jessicake said. Cinnamon chocolate chips. I know, waffle crumbs. Jessicake picked up a bag and poured it into the bowl. Waffle crumbs, asked Cherrycake. Will that taste good? Trust me. Jessicake winked. An hour later, Jessicake pulled a piping hot tray of cupcakes from the oven. She frosted them with graham cracker fudge icing. Chocolate graham waffle couple cakes, anyone? She asked. Said Cocoa Cupcake. These are just so sweet. No wonder customers are placing orders left and right for your cupcakes, said Cherrycake. Those look delicious. The Berrylicious Gumdrop cupcakes Jessicake had made for Strawberry Kiss were a big success. And everyone buzzed about the Cookie Crumble Bumble cupcake she made for Cookie's birthday party. Jessicake had even whipped up some dog biscuit delights and catnip caramel crumbles for the Petkins. Everyone agreed Jessicake's flavor combination were the best in all of Shopville. Suddenly, Shady Diva walked into the cafe. I need a special order, darling, she said. 1,000 cupcakes by tomorrow night for my fashion show. Follow this list of flavor ideas exactly. Everything for the show must be perfect. 1,000 cupcakes, squeaked Jessicake. I'm going to need some help. She called Popette and Babisha. We're on our way, said the Shoppies. Popette and Bubble-Isha hurried to the cafe. Don't worry, Jessicake, exclaimed Popette. Your baking buddies are here to save the day. Aw, thanks, guys. 1,000 cupcakes is a tall order, Bubble-Isha said. I don't want to burst your bubble, but can we pull this off? Jessicake smiled. With all three of us working together, this will be a piece of cake. The Shoppies put on their aprons and got ready to bake. Okay, said Jessicake. Shady Diva asked us to follow this list exactly. Just then, the front door bells jingled. It was Apple Blossom and her dog, Milkbud. Hi, Jessicake, said Apple. We're here to pick up Milkbud's dog biscuit delights. Coming right up, said Jessicake. Milkbud licked his lips at all the yummy smells floating through the bakery. He sniffed the air. He sniffed the counter. He sniffed Shady Diva's list. It smelled like cupcake batter. Arf, arf! Milkbud snatched the list and ran off. Oh, Milkbud, no! Cried Jessicake. We need that list to make Shady Diva's cupcakes. Jessicake and Apple Blossom chased after him. I'll be right back, Jessicake called over to Popette and Bubble-Isha. Popette and Bubble-Isha waited and waited. If Jessicake doesn't get back soon, we'll never finish the cupcakes by tomorrow, Bubble-Isha said. Popette nodded. You're right. It's time to get the show on the road. But what about Shady Diva's list? Asked Cocoa Cupcake. Jessicake said we need to follow it exactly. Relax, said Popette, putting on a chef's hat. How hard is it to whip up some yummy cupcake flavors? So the Shoppies got cooking. A little butter, a little more butter. Popette tasted her batter. Needs more butter. And more popcorn, added Bull-Inda and Polly Popcorn. Bubblicious and Gumball Gappy helped Bubble-Isha stir in a sugary masterpiece. Crushed candy, cried Bubble-Isha. More sprinkles. Oh, is that bubblegum frosting? Asked Gumball Gappy. Before long, the cafe was piled high with wild and crazy flavor creations. There were melted butter blast cupcake, crushed candy confection cupcakes, and even popcorn batter cupcakes. Popette and Bubble-Isha beamed. They look perfect. Meanwhile, across Shopville, Jessicake and Apple Blossom chased Milkbud. Milkbud, please come back, cried Jessicake. Without the list, Shady Diva's special order will be a disaster. But Milkbud wouldn't stop. He zipped through Small Mart, crashed, cans went everywhere. He zoomed through the park and dashed through the woods. He's not nice. And then he sped towards the town fountain. No, said Jessicake. Splash! Shady Diva's flavor list was ruined. Oh, what do I do now? Said Jessicake sadly. It's okay, said Apple. I'm sure you can think of flavors that will knock Shady Diva's shades off, even without her special list. Jessicake, Apple, and Milkbud walked into the Cupcake Queen Café. They arrived just in time to see Poppette and Bubbleisha pull over a list of cupcakes in the oven. What happened, Jessicake? We baked 1,000 cupcakes, said Poppette. Jessie shook her head. Oh no, these aren't cupcakes Shady Diva asked for. And now all the ingredients are gone. It's all... Darlings! A loud voice interrupted them. It was Shady Diva to check on cupcakes. The Shoppies held their breath as Shady Cupcake picked up a crushed candy cupcake. She took a bite. She chewed. What flavor? She cried. Shady Diva, I can explain, started Jessicake, but Shady Diva smiled. This is perfection! It is? Asked Jessicake. I know I give you a list to follow, darlings, said Shady Diva. But these ingredients, butter, candy, popcorn, they are all perfect for my classic movies fashion show. How did you ever think of such perfect flavors? Jessicake grinned. I had help, she admitted, from 2 baking masters. Poppette and Bubbleisha nodded happily. She sure did. The next night, the Shoppies enjoyed front row seats at Shady Diva's fashion show. Thanks again for saving the day, Jessicake told her friends. Bubbleisha grinned. You were right. When we were together, it was a piece of cake.